Hi and welcome. In this video I would like to show you how to install conda-forge on Windows with maxiconda. So we open a browser on our Windows box and we go to www.maxiconda.org. Then we get this page and we get 3 download buttons depending on the operating system of your choice. Each one has its own install video. We're on Windows, so we download the Windows installer. Save file. And when this is finished, we can open the containing folder. We don't need the browser anymore. Close. And then we can launch the installer by double clicking. Windows will complain because we are not a known publisher yet. Run anyway. Next. Agree to license. For me, standard install dir, standard. We don't need this one anymore. And we can have a look at the details. Once this is completed, we go to next and finish. Now we go to the start button and we start typing terminal, and here it is, terminal, and we see that we have a conda in the terminal already activated in the maxiconda environment. Let's check it out. Conda list. And we have a base, a spider, and a maxiconda environment. Let's create our own. MyEnv with a Python, let's say 3.7, and all the packages from maxiconda. Yes, confirm. Perfect. Let's see what we have. Conda-env list. And we have our MyEnv environment. Note that the maxiconda environment is now active. So let's check out which Python we have. A 3.9. Then we can activate MyEnv. And the Python we have here is 837 as expected. That's all we need to check here. We can close this one. And now we can go back to the start button and start typing spider. And we have the spider app here. We of course can click it to the taskbar. And then spider is starting. Windows Defender, yeah. Come on. Okay. Dismiss. So let's check out what dependencies we have. So we have all the mandatories, we have all the optionals, and we even have a plugin. Okay. Now the big thing is that Spider is running in the Spider environment. but we are also developing against the spider environment now, so that we don't want. We change this, use the following interpreter, and now we can choose, for example, our my-env. Okay. And now we're developing against the my-env environment, and this is what we want. That's all there is to it. So,
thanks for watching and happy spidering!